Here are the details of the Honda CBR 1000RR without the start and end. General overview. Model, Honda CBR 1000RR. Type, Supersport, Superbike. Engine capacity, 999 cc, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, DOC, inline-4 engine. Transmission, 6-speed, chain-final drive. Seat height, 32.3 inches, 820 millimeters. Weight, dry, approximately 200 kilograms, 441 pounds. Engine specifications. Engine type, 999 cc, inline-4. Bore X-stroke, 76 by 55.1 millimeters. Compression ratio, 13:1. Max power output, around 190 horsepower, 141 kilowatts, at 13,000 revolutions per minute. Max torque, approximately 114 Newton meters at 11,000 revolutions per minute. Fuel system, PGM fit programmed fuel injection. Cooling, liquid cooled. Ignition, digital electronic ignition. Performance features. Top speed, around 186 miles per hour, 300 kilometers per hour. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, in approximately 2.7 seconds. Electronic aids. Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, a sophisticated traction control system. Riding modes, multiple preset modes for different riding conditions, sport, track, etc. Wheelie control, integrated with the traction control system to prevent front wheel lift. Electronic steering damper, automatically adjusts steering based on speed and conditions. Quick shifter, for clutchless shifting in both up and down directions, available on some versions. Engine braking control, allows the rider to adjust the level of engine braking for better stability. Chassis and suspension. Frame, aluminium twin-spar frame for optimal rigidity and lightweight. Front suspension, 43 mm show a big piston fork, BPF, fully adjustable. Rear suspension, show a balance-free rear cushion, BFRC, fully adjustable. Front brakes, dual 320 mm discs with radial mounted Brembo monoblock calipers. Rear brakes, single 220